Hello and welcome to IndianExpress.com. Halfway through its current term, BJP has already started strategizing for the 2019 elections. Our colleague Liz Matthew here has learned from her sources that they've already devised a plan for the general elections and how to contest it. Liz, tell us a little bit about the strategy that they're doing.
Yeah, there was a meeting of BJP Chief Amit Shah with the party general secretaries and secretaries who are in charge of the states. So they have prepared, a plan in which there are around 115 seats as their new catchment area for the 2019 election. See, the secretaries and general secretaries who are in charge of the state, in charge of states, are supposed to give their report on state-wise planning to the party chief by October 16. So the party chief will coordinate the strategy and the laying out of the plan for the party ahead of 2019 polls.
So what are these new catchment areas? Do you think that that's because BJP is not confident of retaining its strength?
Yeah, obviously, the BJP has won 286 seats, mainly from the Hindi heartland, where in states like Uttar Pradesh, where it has 172 out of 80. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, it won 25, and the entire they swept the poll without leaving a single seat to others. And even in Maharashtra, it is 42 of 48 seats. So the BJP is they are not only that they will be able to gain more. The party is not in a position to even retain. Obviously, that anti-incumbency factor in some of these states. The party BJP is in power in the state also, so they have to find new areas. Just opposite to that, in states like Tamil Nadu, it won only one seat. The BJP had only one seat, and in Odisha, it had only one seat. So BJP's focus in the next election will be these states where they could, and around 115 seats they have already identified are from 7 states like Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, northeastern states, etc. So these general secretaries will be preparing report and submitting it on these states.
And so what exactly do they plan to do in these states to kind of bring the numbers up?
Like I said, the secretaries will decide state-wise plan. Each state, the secretary or general secretary, whoever is in charge, will prepare the strategy according to the states and will submit it. And the party will, the top leadership and these people will meet and decide the final strategy. But so far, BJP has, interestingly, BJP has already been focusing in many of the states. Like Odisha, the Prime Minister has already addressed 3 rallies in the last 2 years, and also where the party is now organizing a massive protest against demonstrations district wise, block wise, and even state wise in September, October in Odisha, and like I said, in West Bengal also they have a specific plan. They have in the northeastern states, the BJP was focusing, the government had introduced lots of plans, the Prime Minister lots of welfare measures. The Prime Minister had already initiated all the union ministers to visit northeastern state at least twice a year. So the party hopes that the government's efforts and initiatives in this area, where there are visible changes in terms of governance, would definitely play advantages to the party and in 2019 polls.
Right, interesting. So now we'll just have to wait more for the specific, suggestions in terms of what the plans are going to be.
From the state.
Thank you so much, Liz, and thank you everyone for watching.